In this video, we will show you how to change profile name on Facebook. To change your profile name, you can using Facebook application or using web browser. For example, we will show you on both in here. First, using Facebook application. I have Facebook Lite. It's little different with just Facebook, but this is also the same. Click continue in here. Okay, to change your Facebook profile name, just click this three dot icons menu. After that, you can click scroll down. After you click scroll down, then you can click settings and privacy here. After that, choose settings. In here, you can select personal details. Now you can click your profiles. After that, click your name here. Change the name by clicking this name. Now you can edit your name. Okay, this is just for example. After you're done, you can just click review change here. Okay, this is the button little bit hidden. Okay, so you must click this button, or if you are using web browser, it will also easier. How to do that? Open your Facebook profile on your web browser. You can using computers, laptop, or you can using smartphone browser. After that, click the account and select settings and privacy, and select settings. Because the view is bigger, using computers or laptop is recommended. Click personal details after that. And in here, you can select your name. And you can change your name, username, profile pictures, avatar, or another. Just click your name here. Now you can edit your name. And you can click review change. You can also manage the other name or like nickname. And you can click review change to change your name permanently. That's all tutorial how to change your Facebook profile name, and thanks for watching.